When it comes to Forex market, you must pay attention to details if you want to get the best out of the market. Once you can identify support levels in the market, then you are a step closer to driving home huge profits from the market. At this place, the market price has made a pullback. It formed a harami pattern right at this point, and a good bearish candlestick as confirmation. It gives you a reason to enter the market. And it formed a bearish candlestick as a confirmation. Let's highlight this point using a circle. This is the second point. Third point. If you noticed, this daily candlestick is still active at this fourth point. We will get back to this. At this point, you are looking at the market. The market made a confluence. Confluence gives you two or more confirmations that a price movement will go a particular direction. Here, you have a bearish reversal pattern, a trend line, and a horizontal support level. Same with these other points. With these, entry points in the market can easily be identified. At this point in the market, the candlestick here is still active, within the 4 hours time frame. So, it can either close above this point or below. If the market price goes higher and makes a pullback to the above trend line, then it's an opportunity to buy. Or the market can pull back to the lower trend line. So, you should be watchful of his point. After this, the close of the next candlestick will play a vital role. So, this is a level to watch out for. Drawing your support and resistance levels simplify the market in many ways. Remember, your success in trading solely rests on your decision-making ability. Now, when you go to the 1 hour candlestick, it is an opportunity for you to see the market chart in another dimension. Lower time frames will offer more entry points to go short or long in the market. This analysis gives you an opportunity to make huge profits. In case you missed this, you can always follow market signals when you subscribe to this channel and have your notification turned on.